Hello, welcome to Save User channel, and today I will show you how we can convert a video from MP4 to MP3 format. And this is our video. We can right click and check the properties. It is an MP4 format video and we want to convert using the VLC application to MP3. The first, you have to make sure you uncheck the repeat mode so that it cannot repeat the procedure to convert your video. Then click media, choose convert/save. Here you can add the video, and this is your video from our desktop. Just click it and open. Then select convert/save. Here you can choose the MP3. There's a lot of format, but you are supposed to choose MP3. Then browse for destination where you want to send your MP3 file. Here we can rename the file. Let's see, audio. Then click save. Then choose start. Now the video starts to be converted into MP3 format. It may take some few minutes. It depends on the size of the video. It is over. We can close this, and this is our audio. We can confirm from the properties. It is an MP3 audio. Thank you for watching, and if you like our video, please share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Bye.